Okay, children, today, good afternoon to all.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Now, in this class, I will see the Heron's formula revision. Okay. So, before that, let me give the answer of the previous question, mathematical literacy. Anyone got the answer? Only John got. Others, I did not see. Anybody? Anybody? Anyone got the answer?
No, ma'am.
Okay. One minute. One minute. I'll show the answers to you. Last class. Okay. I'll show the answer. Only one student showed me the answers. If you get the answer, you just show me so that I can see the answers to me. Hello? No one, others did not try. Okay. So, this question, what John has showed the correct answer. He has showed the correct one. Curved line like this. Like this. Clear? Okay. So, three lines. Three lines you have to divide like this. Isn't it, John? Show the answers to everyone. Okay. So this was the correct answer. John got the solved the puzzle. Okay, John. So congratulations. I'll give you a gift. Okay. Okay. Okay.
The board.
Yes, Savio.
Can you show that?
Which one? The same. Okay. Okay, John. On the reopening day, anyway, I'll give you some chocolates. Okay. Or any other gift you want. Okay. Yes, John. Okay. So now we will move to the revisions Heron's formula. Okay, Heron's formula. Will you turn on your videos? Hello, Rifa, Amina, Surya, Afsana, Hadidi. Okay, children. So now we will move to Heron's formula. One minute. Do you remember Heron's formula?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children, do you remember Heron's formula? Do you remember Heron's formula? Now we'll do the revisions and next class, day after tomorrow. Okay, day after tomorrow, I will take a revision test of Heron's formula. Now we'll do the revision. Okay, children, what do you mean by Heron's formula? Do anyone remember? Anyone remember Heron's formula? Hello? Heron's formula is?
To find a triangles
Yes?
like root of s minus a, s minus b, s minus c.
Yes. Okay. So Heron's formula is, you are finding the area of, the chapter's name is Heron's formula. So you can write the heading as revision. Heron's formula, area of a triangle equal to, it is a scalene triangle. We are finding the area of a scalene triangle. So area of the triangle equal to root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. Okay, children. So it is, then this s equal to a plus b plus c by 2 and a, b, c are sides. A, B, C are 3 sides. And it is scalene triangle. This is the formula. This is Heron's formula. See, most probably your middle class will be on Thursday. Okay. Your middle class will be on Thursday. I'll send the timing. I did after seeing your timetable only I can fix the timing. Okay, children.
Yes, ma'am.
Tomorrow I have two classes. So your middle class will be on Thursday. Timing I will send anyway. Okay. So this is Heron's formula, and we will do the questions of Heron's formula. These are the extra questions for you. Okay, children, write the first question. A field is in the form of a parallelogram, has sides 60 meter and 40 meter, and one of its diagonals is 80 meter long. Find the area of the parallelogram. A field is in the form of a parallelogram, has sides 60 meter and 40 meter, and one of its diagonal is 80 meter. Find the area of the parallelogram. This is the question number 1. Okay, children, I'll draw it. There is a field. It is in the shape of a parallelogram. So parallelograms, what are the specialities? Parallelograms.
Opposite sides are
Sides are
parallel.
equal. Okay, equal and parallel. So 60 meter and 40 meter is given. 60 meter and 40 meter. That means these opposite sides also will be 60 meter and 40 meter. 40 meter. And one of its diagonal is 80 meter. Okay, children, how will you find this? After finding one triangle, this is enough. That means one triangle, the same area will be for the next triangle also. Okay. So you have to find like this area of triangle 1. Area of triangle 1. And it will be the same for the next triangle also because the measurements are same. 60, 40 and 80. Okay. We have to find the area of the parallelogram. That means 2 times the answer you got. If you get the answer, you tell me, I will explain the answers.
Finish, ma'am.
Only Ashik? Adil Mohammed, Rose, Amina. Amina, do you know what is Heron's formula? Amina? Amina, do you know? Amina, are you there? Turn on your video. Pia, Adil. Yes. No response. Amina, do you know? Pia, Nirbama, Prajot.
Yes, ma'am.
One person newly joined also has got the same behavior. She is imitating your behavior. Others.
Yes, ma'am.
The children, we have area of triangle equal to root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. Okay, equal to root of s is 60 plus 40 plus 80 by 2. Isn't it? How much? 180 by 2 equal to 90. So it is 90 into 90 minus 60, 90 minus 40, and 90 minus 80. So your answer is root of 90 into 30 into 50 into 10. So root of 9 into 3 into 5 into 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. Whenever too many zeros you see, you can see. You see some zeros, you can split it and write like this. And this 9 is 3 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 10 into 10 into 10. Ashik, you made a mistake somewhere. So 1, 3 you can take out. And here 4 tens are there. So 10 into 10 you can take out. Inside the root it is 3 into 5. So answer is 300 root 15. Is it correct, children? Did you get the same answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now this is we have to find one more triangle is there and it has the same measurement. So area of parallelogram equal to area of parallelogram equal to 300 root 15 plus 300 root 15 equal to 600 root 15 meter square.
Yes,
Okay. This is the
ma'am.
answer. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
This is the answer, children. Okay. Okay, now we'll move to the second question. The sides of a quadrilateral ABCD. The sides of a quadrilateral ABCD are, second question, sides of a quadrilateral ABCD are 6 centimeter, 8 centimeter, 12 centimeter, and 40 centimeter respectively. The angle between the first two sides is a right angle. Find its area. So children, this is a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral means all the sides are different here. All the sides are different. And it is A, B, C, D. Quadrilateral A, B, C, D are first two sides. 6 centimeter A, B, C, D. 6 centimeter, 8 centimeter, 12 centimeter, and 14 centimeter. There is a clue in this question that the sides of a quadrilateral are this much. The angle between the first two sides, that means 6 and 8, angle between 6 and 8. This is a right angle. So what type of a triangle it is, children? Triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. Is a right angled triangle. So you can find AC. AC, that diagonal you can find because it is a right angle triangle. You can use Pythagoras theorem. And 6 square plus 8 square is root of 36 plus 64 equal to root of 100 equal to 10 centimeter. If you get this diagonal, it will be easy for you because you can find the answer as triangle 1 area of quadrilateral equal to triangle 1 plus triangle 2. Since there are measurements are different, you can find separately and add. Measurements are different. You cannot multiply it by 2. You should find it separately and add. Okay, children, when you get the answer, tell me. Okay. Shall I explain the answers?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So area of triangle 1 is area of triangle 1. Any triangle equal to root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. A plus b plus c by 2 is s equal to 6 plus 8 plus 10 by 2 equal to 24 by 2 equal to 12. So correct, children, did you get 12?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So 12 into 12 minus 6, 12 minus 8, 12 minus 10. Okay, equal to root of 12 into 12 minus 6 is 6, 12 minus 8 is 4, and 12 minus 10 is 2. So it is root of, we want you write 12 as 6 into 2. So that you will get a pair of 6. And 2, 4 as 2 into 2 into 2. Okay. So 1, 6 we can take out. 1, 2 2s. Enough. Okay, children, then answer is 6 into 4, 24. Is it correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then area of triangle 2. Area of triangle 2 equal to 2 equal to again root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. B into s minus c. But here s is different. S is 14 plus 12 plus 10 by 2. That is 26 plus 10, 36 by 2. Is it 18?
Yes.
Okay. So equal to root of 18 into 18 minus 18 minus 10, 18 minus 14, 18 minus 12 equal to root of 18 into 8 into 4 into 6 equal to 18 we can write as 2 into 2 into sorry 3 into 3 into 2 into 8 as 2 into 2 into 2 9 18 2 into 22 4 as 2 into 2 and 6 as 2 into 3. Okay, so 1 3, then 1 2, again one more 2, 1 more 2, and inside 2 into 3. So it is 24 root 6. Is it correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So area of quadrilateral equal to first triangle's area plus second triangle's area. That is equal to 24 plus 24 root 6. Enough. 24 plus 24 root 6. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we will continue in the next class. Okay, children? So the teacher is waiting. Okay. So remedial class timing I will send you. Okay, children? Shall I wind up?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.